In today's video, I'll show you how to improve your graphics card performance on your PC or laptop. First, let me briefly explain what a graphics card does. Its main job is to process graphics and help games and applications run smoothly, quickly, and without lag. So, if you're having problems running games or programs, for example, if a game feels slow, freezes, or stutters, or you're experiencing performance issues with certain applications, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your graphics card's performance without installing any third-party software, using only Windows settings. The method is safe for your computer and works on Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Then type msconfig in the Run window. I'll also leave the command in the video description. Click OK and the System Configuration window will open. Next, select the Boot tab, then click Advanced Options. A new window will appear. The option we're interested in is Maximum Memory, which is usually unchecked by default. Check the Maximum Memory box and you'll see a number appear below. Pay attention to this number because it represents the amount of RAM installed in your computer. For example, my computer has 8 GB of RAM, so the value shown is 8192. If your computer has 4 GB of RAM, you'll see a value close to 4096. If it has 6 GB, you'll see the corresponding value for that amount of memory. If you have 8 GB of RAM, reduce the value by 1000, changing 8192 to 7000. If you have 4 GB of RAM, change it to 3000. If you have 6 GB of RAM, change it to 5000. In other words, subtract 1000 from the displayed value. Now you might be wondering, where does that missing memory go? According to this method, the memory you subtract is allocated to shared system memory, which is claimed to help improve the performance of games and applications. Once you've made the change, click OK, then click OK again. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Restart your PC, and once it boots back up, try running your games or applications again. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.